Hey, for those of you in Raytown without power, guess who has shown up? Evergy has sent in the cavalry. There's tons of trucks over here, and it looks like they're going to put a pole in. And I know this affects about 144 of us, according to the Evergy map. But yeah, so these guys are here. They're coming in. I'll tell you straight just in a second. Yeah. Guys are working some long hours. There's a pole on that truck. Back there, looks like there's a pole that snapped off in trees. And let's see. So that's affecting a bunch of us here off of 68th and 68 Terrace, Raytown Roads down there. So anyway, a little update for you guys. Everybody here is out without power. There's a bunch. Anyway, a little hope. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.